Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, we're joined by none other than Richie Spice. And he's part of the lineup for Popcorn's Unruly Fest, and that's happening on December 21st.
Woo!
Welcome, Richie.
Yes, man. You know, we always greet in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Straight.
Yeah, we give thanks to life, health, and strength. Let every living thing that move it and creep it up on the face of the earth, hear the King. Give thanks to being here. Give thanks for having me.
Blessings, General.
Give thanks, yes.
Blessings. Thank you, Richie. Now, just in case, you know, somebody hasn't seen you perform, because I think many people have, most people have, everybody has.
Agreed.
But what can
No, not everybody.
what can we expect from you as a performer at Unruly Fest?
Well, music. You know, I mean, new music. I mean, music from that time until this time. You know, through the spirit of His Imperial Majesty. And we keep on carrying it through, I mean, the same trend from that time until this time, man. That's straight music.
So, Richie, on stage, what's the best feeling that you get from performing in Jamaica?
Well, the best feeling, well, I feel great to know that the people in Jamaica really accept Richie Spice. Music.
I love you.
And love Richie Spice. And I mean, over the years, I mean, we've been working on, you know, we're glad to see that when we go out and perform, the people accept it and love it. It does show that, you know, it gives I more courage and encourage I myself more to keep on keeping on, you know.
Straight.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to perform a really special single for us, right? Because it's not until January 2020 it will be on your album.
Yes.
Right. So talk to us about this latest single, title, what it's about.
Well, the single is entitled Together We Stand. And Together We Stand meaning that, you know, together we stand together to see that, you know, the environment keep clean. You know, we stand together that to know that in the next 50 years, there won't be more plastic bottle in the beaches than fishes. You know, we stand together to see that, you know, the blind be led. You know, we stand together to see that the naked be clothed. We stand together to see that, you know, the children taken care of.
Yeah, man.
You know, we stand together as one
everything.
people.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, so Richie Spice, take it away as we stand together and watch you do this.
yours.
Yeah, it's yours. Woo!
Okay. Wait now.
Love it. Yeah, man. I hear somebody say, you're reminding them of Aldrin. Yeah. Are you home for the holidays? You'll be in Jamaica for holidays?
Well, you know, we are right here, you know, until, you know, the road call out.
Yeah. All right. And social media.
Social media is one Richie Spice.
One Richie Spice.
Yeah, Twitter, Instagram. Number one, Richie Spice.
Richie Spice. Love it.
Yeah,
So
as it should be.
yes, because I want Richie Spice.
Yeah, that's one Richie Spice.
Number one Richie Spice.
Any other Richie Spice and black pepper.
So it's December 21, St. Thomas, Unruly Fest, Goodyear Factory, and we can see you there. So it's going to be Popcorn, Unruly, and we're looking forward to seeing you on that. All right?
Richie Spice,
Legend.
Love it. All right, so thank you so much for joining us for Daytime Live today. I remember we're back on Friday. Okay, we're back on Friday with more.
Buzz, chat, vibe, and the artist's favorite mix. Mad thing, we'll see you on Friday.
So you're gonna take us out, Richie Spice. Together we stand.
Come on.
Woo!